Najee Smith, and I like to tell you about bait. Well, if you see the movie Jaws, it's just like bait about sharks. Well, it's a good movie. It's not funny. It's kind of sad, but happy at the same time. Well, let me tell you about it.
Well, you say the movie's like Jaws, but it's different. So that means there's a shark, right?
Yes, it's like people, like this girl had started studying stuff, and then she got caught, and then somebody came in and started robbing them.
Okay, so what you're basically saying is bait. It was filmed in a store,
Yes.
and somehow the water and the shark got into the store, right?
Yes, because it was a tsunami.
Okay, so it was a tsunami that got the water and the shark into the store.
Yes.
So if you had to give your opinion, would you say this is a must watch, or if you're bored, then it's okay? In the 1 to 5.
That's what he said.
So out of 1 to 5, what would you rate this movie?
A 4.
A 4?
Mm-hmm.
So you really would recommend other people watching this movie?
Yes.
Okay. And you are?
Najee Smith, reporting live. Action!